Explain that, but she's got to come out of the car first. We're not. I don't want to have this discussion. Yep, I do. I can absolutely do that, but you're gonna be detained first.
She's got one.
Yep. Come on in.
Come on up, bro.
No, shut up. You ain't coming. You ain't, man. Come on, pull the boxers.
Hey.
Pull them out of boxers. That's a man, woman, child. Yo, what's poppin', GE? Gang, it's your boy Fuchsia. We are back with another banger reaction video. Did I say video? Oh, where the energy go? Check this out, man. We back with another video, man. We tapping in. We getting back to our regular scheduled program, routinery, whatever you want to say. We built this platform off of. That's what we're getting back to, okay? What got us here. And it's by putting out content that make us laughery, and roast people. And, you know, that's what we do. We about to tap to a video. She trashed McDonald's. Now she's facing the consequence. Oh, come on, man. It's Mickey D's, Walgreens, Walmart easy. I don't know, man. What's going easy? Be easy on the restaurant. People go there to eat and shop, okay? Before we get into the video, man, we got to check on our meeps. So tap down in the comment section. You already know how the spiel go. We don't miss a video. We don't miss a beat. We don't skip a beat. Tap down in the comment section. 1 through 10. How you doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, always to wrap it up, to put it in a blanket. How you doing spiritually, okay? Now, we got a giveaway going down on the 21st again of December. Last giveaway went type crazy. I kind of lost my brain. Shout out to Rochelle because I had 4 winners. Rochelle threw a 200 ball in there and said, let's do 4 more. Then I came back and said, let's do 3 more. Do the math, 50 times 11. That's half of some people's paychecks. That's crazy. We do it big over here. We take care of our people that support. That's what we do over here, okay? And we tap in the comment section. What these other people ain't doing on their YouTube channel. They not tapping in. They not responding back. They not doing nothing. They not doing nothing, okay? We go live. We show the family. We do what we do outside of YouTube. We showed all of that, okay? Make sure you follow the vlog channel. I got a vlog I need to edit up and get you guys out when I went to Ellensburg, got that Airbnb. Food Nigga Transformation. Tap in. Make sure to subscribe, okay? With that being said, let's go ahead and see what happened at the Mickey D's on May 10, 2024. An officer pulled over a vehicle, failing to stop at several traffic lights. Yeah.
On May 10, 2024, an officer pulled over a vehicle for failing to stop at several traffic signals flashing red.
Yikes! What the hell happened to that car?
Please. Howdy, y'all. My name's Detective Roland, Tallahassee Police Department. The reason I pulled you over today is you have to stop when a light is out. At every light. I watched you blow through like 4 or 5 before I got behind you, okay? I'm not writing you a ticket today, but I can please see your license, registration, and proof of insurance.
You're not writing me a ticket? Well, I need this officer. You blew through how many stoplights? And how many lights and you ain't giving me a ticket? What? Hold on. We're going to run that back. We're going to run that back, baby. Go back even more. Hold on.
Traffic signals flashing red.
Do you guys see this car? Do you guys hear the car? Does it look like they got insurance? The car look like it needs to be totaled, okay? I'm just saying, I'm pointing it out. He asked for insurance. I don't think they got it. The car look like it ain't had it. Never gonna get it. Need to be in the junkyard, okay?
Ed.
Get the windows roll down for me, please. Howdy, y'all. My name's Detective Roland, Tallahassee Police Department. The reason I pulled you over today is you have to stop when a light is out. At every light. I watched you blow through like 4 or 5 before I got behind you, okay? I'm not writing you a ticket today, but I can please see your license, registration, and proof of insurance. Do you have the driver's license number? Okay. What is your last name? Do you have any kind of photo ID on you? Okay.
They got no ID.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. We're going to have to wait just 1 minute before I can talk to Mom, okay? Give me 1 minute, okay?
The mama lawyer. Oh, officer, what kind of car is that? You're not catching them if they take off. Both of y'all got shitty cars. I'm just... Oh, you got backup coming with a real car.
Get out. Just stand behind our vehicle if you want to, okay?
Yeah. Officer is talking to
David
who?
Pulled up. Yes, sir. Can you pull it up so I can...
Hold on. Officer is talking to...
Do you have David pulled up?
Yes,
sir. Can you pull...
You're welcome to get out.
Okay, the officer is speaking to his ride-along, so the officer got a ride-along, okay? That's what he's talking to. He said, get behind the vehicle when we do this. You can get out.
Just stand behind our vehicle if you want to, okay? Yeah.
Do you have David pulled up? Yes, sir. Can you pull it up so I can get her DL?
Do you have a first name?
Yeah, Tatyona.
Tatiana?
Yeah. There we go. 2 N's, I guess. 99 times 3.
Oh, fantastic.
She got warrants in the incident. That's why the car looked like that. Previous incident, she got a warrant. She was. Hold on. What? Hold on. We missing. Oh my. Because I want you guys to be able to read that. Hold on.
3.
Oh, fantastic.
Hold on. Okay. One of the warrants is for incident on April 11th. The driver's friend was fired from McDonald's, so she went there and tried to fight them. You was fired and went back to fight the manager? You big dummy goofball. The manager would not engage, so she destroyed several pieces of equipment and left. See, that's how the manager know how to control their emotions and know, I'm not getting fired for you goofies. You was already fired, and I probably fired you. I'm not... Tear it up. I'm calling the police, and I got you on video camera. That manager is smart. And y'all blowing through lights in that car? Wrong, wrong car to try to do some.
Do me a favor. I need you to step out of the car and talk to me back here because you don't have your license, okay? Just take a second.
That's how you get him out the car.
What we need to talk about, sir?
All right, look, here's the deal. I want to do this in
I
front
thought
of the
that was
kids.
a dude.
You got warrants out for your arrest. You want to go into jail today.
Oh boy.
Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me. All right, I'm gonna comply. All right, cool down.
We'll give you a chance.
She got boxers on. Get out the car.
For real, don't touch me,
Hey,
bro.
no, you're good. At some point, we're going to have to because you're going to have to get handcuffed. But you got to come on out, okay?
Okay, they said she got a 1-out-4 arrest, and
Get out the car.
Step out of the car.
what she want to know what's the warrant for.
That's fine. We'll tell her as soon as
Get the
in just a moment,
Come
but
on
you
now.
gotta get out of the car.
We know the mom of the lawyer, but she can't be in this.
But you do have to get out. I don't want to pull you out. I don't want to do any of that. But I need you to exit.
Okay, who you
No, I
with?
don't want to do that.
You wait till her mama
Well, let my
comes?
daddy don't come up.
Oh, okay.
I have no problem explaining to that, but I do need y'all to step. I need you to step out.
Get out the car, you goofy. You're not gonna win.
You need to step out, or you're going to catch
I
another
can
charge,
explain that,
okay?
but she's got to come out of the car first. We're not. I don't want to have this discussion. Yep, I do. I can absolutely do that, but you're gonna be detained first.
She's got warrants.
Yep. Come on in.
Bro, don't touch, bro. Come on,
on up.
chill out, bro.
You need to come out.
All right, I'm coming.
Just ask him to stop.
No, shut up. You ain't coming. You ain't, man. Come on, pull the boxers.
Hey.
Pull them out of boxers. That's a man, woman, child. Hey, come on, child. God.
Let me see your hands. Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
They got out the car.
Put your hands up.
I gave you the opportunity. You didn't
Y'all
want
went up there to fight in pajamas.
Right now,
Goofy.
my grandma, y'all got me so right now.
Don't put that on
Told
your
you I did
granny.
not want to do that in front of the kid.
Talk to a bitch ass.
Okay.
They got kids in the car?
All right. Go ahead and roll towards me.
All three of y'all big ass
10-15.
motherfuckers. Y'all some big ass motherfuckers. What y'all pulling me out the car like that for?
All right, go ahead and stand
Nigga,
up.
y'all big as it only took one.
Shut up. You wouldn't get out, goofy.
Let me put my
Just
damn
that
shoes.
one
Let me put my shoes on.
Running the show?
Back
No.
to back of this car.
I thought that was a whole dude. I'm not even gonna lie. I didn't know that.
Come on now. I
that
don't
was
want to
good.
do that in front of all the kids.
Okay, with your big ass. It only took one. Well, why it took three?
We gave you the opportunity to step out and you don't want to come out.
And you ain't want to talk either. You gonna tell me why you trying to detain me?
I told you, you have warrants out for your arrest.
I shouldn't.
Now that you're in cuffs, I can tell you have warrants out for possession of marijuana, disorderly conduct.
I don't. All that was dissolved. All that was good. And I ain't smoking much. What you talking about? You lying.
Shut up.
You lying.
Lying. You lying.
Anything else on you need to know about? Poke me, stick me, hurt me? You want to switch sides? Yeah. Anything else on you?
Yo, stop talking to me.
Go ahead and put it in the car.
What you talking about? Stop talking to me.
All units stand by for general announcement. All units be advised southeast and southwest will be fastened to the remainder. Southeast and southwest will
I'll
be
talk to
fastened to
him.
the remainder.
Can you stay with BT bills real quick?
Yeah.
Those came out of our pocket. Right on.
Who's this guy? Ride along.
Howdy, y'all. Okay, now I will be willing to talk to you. It's okay.
Nah, cause I don't really know. I don't want to talk, fam. You just look like you was finna shoot me. You feel what I'm saying?
Now, because
stop
I
it.
that, bro. That's my sister, bro. That's
Okay.
me, man. I don't care, bro.
Well, I gave her the opportunity to step out.
Everybody raised different, bro. Everybody raised different. Y'all.
And I gave her the opportunity. I gave her the opportunity to.
Goofy, you the brother. You're a coward. Why don't you tell your sister just get out so we ain't got no issues? We blew through lights. We went down there to McDonald's and started a fight with the manager. You big goofball. We all raised different. What they got to do with anything? So you one of the people that's going to make a excuse to why you can't get out the hoodery, right? Man, we was raised in the hood. They make it hard for us. Shut up. I was raised there too. Look at me now, sir. Cut it out. When you going to make excuses, you're going to stay there your whole life. I don't care. That's my sister. No, your sister acting like a whole dudery. It's goofy, man. I can't stand goofies and people that don't hold themselves accountable. Like, you're supposed to be the big brother. If your sister ain't married, don't got a boyfriend, nothing like that, you supposed to be the man. Hey, sis. Hey, check this out. They behind us. Play it cool. If they ask you to get out, comply, whatever the case, get us out of here. You did wrong, though. That's what I'm saying. Y'all think it's okay to blow through 3 lights, 4 lights, 5 lights, whatever he said, not give IDs. He asked her, we don't want to put hands on you. Get out the car multiple times. You lucky she didn't get taser, sir. And talking about you look like you was going to shoot. I didn't see one time it looked like he was going to shoot anybody in the back. And I did not know it was people in the back, let alone kids. Like, these are goofy ones. These are dumb ones. Like, you guys are the whole family goofy. I'm the ones in the car. That whole family. I don't know about the other family, but y'all goofies. You called your lawyer mama on the phone when you know you did wrong, and y'all gonna tell her a whole different story. No, mama, they put us up for no reason because we was raised differently. Shut the fuck up.
Do this in front of the kids. Okay, you're free to go. Have a good one.
Bye.
Your big ass. Your wife know you doing girls, females like this?
Shut up, Joe, dude. Oh, I want to go there with you, baby.
786
Shut the door on her.
I think you got hit on the face. Did I really? Where? Oh, no, that was cut from earlier. Oh, that was fun. Okay. Yeah, I've been taking.
Come on.
Yeah, I'm thinking it's ibuprofen 800 and 200 right there.
Okay.
Hey, y'all motherfucker.
No.
If you start on it, I'm gonna tie your feet. You better knock it off.
You, I hate y'all motherfucker. You.
I tell you what, I don't need her anymore. Can we just get her off to LCJ?
Yeah.
I'll follow you.
Yeah.
We'll start cleaning this mess up.
No nonsensory.
Excuse me.
My hog tie you.
Let's go.
Ride along, get some action right now. It's an older man too. Who is this? Ride along too.
Can you copy a starting mileage?
I see all y'all in court. I need all y'all names.
Man,
My mom don't get up there. Make sure I get your name. I want your name and the mother fat ass bitches. I want all their names.
Crazy.
It only took
work.
one of y'all to get me out the car. 1, not 3. I hope y'all cam badges, and I hope y'all cam badges was on. I hope all them cameras was on.
Oh wait, hold on. This one might be Oxy.
What's that?
This one might be Oxy because look, it's IP 204. Yeah, it's showing as.
Is it Oxy?
Yeah.
Okay, it came right out of her right pocket.
And y'all couldn't even tell me what I was getting out the car for. We don't
He
trust
told
y'all.
you.
Y'all killers.
Shut
We
up.
don't trust y'all.
Okay. All right. Sounds good. I'll do that once I get it.
Supposed to protect and serve. Y'all don't protect shit but your ass and each other.
No.
Hey, ma'am.
Hi.
Look, I'm sorry that all had to happen, but
Okay.
I told her I did not want to do that in front of the kids.
Yeah.
She had warrants out for arrest. She has to go to jail.
Okay.
That's the bottom line, okay?
Okay.
I gave her plenty of opportunity to step out. She didn't want to. It's dangerous for anybody to be arguing while she's in control of that car.
Because you got a gun on you. You got a taser. A baton. All that make you tough, huh? That make you so tough.
bro.
You can take all that off. You feel like you got down, you got to save them up? Because you got all that shit on? Take it off. Go in the hood and take it off.
Go in the hood. What is you like? What are we doing here? I could tell your mentality. All y'all. Well, not even the old girl right there was cool, and the officer was hella cool. He explained to her. He saw her crying. Went up to her. Listen, this didn't even have to happen. That's on your whatever family member this is, a friend. She caused it. She's distraught. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to her and shout out to the officers because they really tried to get her to comply without putting hands on her. And she over there talking like she a big man. Big man. Oh, you back because you got all this stuff on? Go to the hood. No. Oh, you want to get out the car? I'll take it all off. We can go one-on-one. So you talking battery. You sitting there, y'all big ass. Why take three? I shouldn't have even took one. You should have just got out. Now you mad took three of them to pull you out. Didn't really. We just did that because we us. So if you out and about and a group of girls start fighting, you going to be like, man, y'all can't be fighting me. Only one of y'all. Shut up. Shut up. That ain't how it go down. You know that. You should know that from the hood, right? Goofy.
Dirty cops. Dirty cops. Dirty, dirty.
You look dirty.
Dirty, dirty, dirty.
She was charged
dirty.
resisting without violence and possession of legend drug without prescription.
Damn one of y'all. Bet I won't.
Man, shut up. You talking one. She goofy. She the biggest goofy, man. Shout out. We're going to keep exposing y'all. We're going to keep on trying to be educational for the people to see it so you don't want to put yourself in that position and learn who you are riding with. I don't care if you got to ask somebody, hey, you got a warrant? I'm just asking. I got to know because I'm not trying to get caught up in nothing with you. And if you know the person, you know how they get down, you probably shouldn't get in a car with them or let them in your car. I'm just saying. These videos are educational purposes only. We're going to keep on doing them. We're going to keep calling them out. And we're going to keep on seeing fools do what fools do. And when the people that learn from it, learn from other people's mistakes. That's my biggest thing I like to do. I like to learn from other people's mistakes. That'll save me in a lot of situations, okay? You can get me to play the fool. Not on me. Catch you guys in the next video, man. Tap down in the comment section. Let's talk about it. We move on to the next one. Yeah.